we are getting ready for big party gathering. For this, I got 15 pounds of brisket. I got soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, olive oil, sugar, and red wine vinegar, liquid smoke, Montreal steak, and mustard. We're gonna start with trimming this meat. There is fat here. I definitely want some fat on. I don't want to take all the fat, but it's a lot, so we're just gonna take some of the fat off. So just something like this, take just a partially off. I'm gonna leave it like that. And I'm gonna leave the rest of fat. I'm just taking some off. We are gonna mix our sauces. I'm gonna put everything in one bowl. And we'll mix it to get sugar dissolved. What you want is this tool right here. And we are going to inject this inside the meat. Get mustard and pour it on top. And now just spread it, get a brush, spread it. Once you're done with that, get Montreal steak and pour it over. Just then get brown sugar and try to spread it. It's hard to spread brown sugar, so get it nice. Coat it like this. We're gonna put this on smoker and get this fired up. For this process, we are going to be using Pellet smoker. This is 15-pound brisket, so it takes 15 hours to get this done. We're going to set this baby right here. First, we're gonna start with setting the fat side down and turn it to 125 degrees. We are gonna setting this up overnight and come back and check it tomorrow and continue. This has been going for 10 hours now. Let's see how we are doing. And we're gonna put the probe on. We're gonna put the probe in the thickest part. Our brisket has reached 170 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna go to next step. Now for this step, we need butcher paper. You can use foil if you don't have it. I like butcher paper because it will continue getting smoked. Get yourself a good gloves. I'll get the brisket out. And now we're gonna set fat side down. Look, beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then let's cover this so it's not waste the heat. And wrap this. I also would like to pour that remaining sauce that we made yesterday. Let's pour it over. Oh my gosh, looks so good. And then let's go over. Now we're gonna put this back. We're gonna put temperature probe back, and we want this to be at 195 degrees. So now it's 190 degrees. Brisket is gonna sweat and continue cooking. So this is next step. We are gonna take this off, very careful. And we're gonna set this inside the cooler, very careful like this. And then we're gonna cover it and leave it for 1 hour. So it's gonna continue to cook, and we want all that juice get back inside the meat, and then we're gonna cut it. Now our brisket is rested. We're gonna pull it out nicely out of the box. It's been on an hour and a half probably or more, and it's very hot still. It's hard to resist this. Let me just get the piece. That's worth waiting. Tastes so good, so juicy, so soft, unbelievable. You want some too. All right, there it is. All right, guys, try it. It's just unbelievable. The taste of it, so good. We're gonna get some more inside.
Alright, so here we have it. Smoked brisket. Me, I'm different. I like the little fat on it. So let's test it out right now. Mmm. So juicy. Excuse me. That is really